What's this about, man? You okay?
I need you to sign a sale ticket for a client of mine.
Greg? Fuck Greg. Let's deal with that fucking prick right now and get it over with.
Wait. Chris, I got arrested last night.
What?
The FBI arrested me.
The FBI arrested you. Why the fuck would the FBI arrest you?
Because of my involvement in the firm.
Your involvement with the firm. What does that mean?
Man, you know what that means.
No, I don't know what that means. What does it mean? What the fuck did you tell them?
No. They knew everything. No, they had tape recorded conversations. They had photographs. They brought my father in, you know? Chris, there was nothing I could do.
What did you do?
Chris, the FBI is going to raid the place in 20 minutes.
What the fuck are you talking about? Fuck, sir.
Come on, man. I asked you for months about shit going down here, and you said shut the fuck up and get ready to be a millionaire.
That's right. Shut the fuck up. That's all you had to do. Didn't you learn anything?
I learned how to fuck people out of their money. Harry Bernard just lost his life savings, and he wasn't a whale. He was just some poor schmuck, and I took him. I did everything J.T. Marlin told me to do, and I made up his mind for him.
What do you want me to tell you? That's what we do here.
We lie. We're liars.
Who are they coming for?
They're coming for everyone. They're coming for everything.
Do you know how hard I've worked?
Chris, you need to forget about that. It doesn't mean shit. Right now, this moment is what you need to be thinking about. What are you going to do in the next 15 minutes? They're going to come in here and they're going to make sure that we don't trade another share of stock again. But we can do something.
What's that?
Harry, my client. I need a senior broker to sign the sale ticket so he can take his share and dump it on the open market and make his money back. Come on, Chris. Come on, what's the difference? Do one thing right here. Just sign it, please. Thank you, Chris. I'll see you at the office.